city hums in borrowed.
Ever wondered what this would sound like in a male vocal? Well,
City hums in borrowed.
no, I didn't make it, but Suno AI did. It is the best tool for creating AI cover songs. You can take any songs and transform it into any genre rock, jazz, EDM, country, anything. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own AI covers from start to finish. Let's start with creating your account. Simply go to suno.com and click on the sign up button. Choose any of these options, and once you are signed in, you'll land over here. Now Suno AI gives you generous amount of credits which can let you create multiple songs as well as song covers. So let's jump straight into creation by clicking on this create tab. Here you'll have two options, which is the simple creation where you just have to describe the song that you want to use. You can add in any kind of audio as well as instrument, and then you have to describe the inspiration, like what genre do you want it to be now. But for this creation we are going to use the custom option where you can upload the audio of the song that you want to cover. Then you can add in the persona, that is the vocal as well as instruments and the inspiration for this song. So let's start by adding in our audio. Make sure you add in an audio that isn't copyrighted or doesn't have any copyrighted lyrics. So I've created this song using Suno itself and I'm going to add that. So I'm going to upload this, and now you can select the part of the song that you want to cover. And if you're not sure about what part to select, you can even preview it by clicking on this button and it will play the song and then you can select it. So I'm going to keep the whole song selected and save it. Now you have three options whether you want to cover this audio, extend it or save it to library. We want to cover it, so select the cover option and click on continue. Now in the lyrics section you'll see the lyrics from our audio has already been extracted. If you want you can go ahead change up the lyrics, but as you know we are just trying to create a cover song. I'm not going to touch the lyrics and all the magic will happen right here in our styles. So here you can remix this song according to your imagination. You have n number of options on different styles available. So first off I'm going to select the male vocal, heavy metal, solo guitar and high quality sound, and that's about it. Now I'm going to use this enhance button to write a detailed descriptive of this style right here. So these are just the keywords that I selected. I'm going to use this and it will create an enhanced version of our selected keywords. So it is giving a full description of how I want my cover to sound like, and I've chose a style that is low-key opposite of our original music. So let's see how it sounds. So I'm simply going to click on this create button right here and it will create two songs for us, and here you can see they have started loading. So our song covers are ready, but before playing that I'm going to play the original audio here. Now for our song cover,
Watching the morning slipping through the blinds.
and you can see the whole vibe of the music as well as the vocals are absolutely changed, and there's no way you can tell that that was created using an AI, because I can never. Now you can go ahead play with different styles and settings right here. I've tried to create another one using this style here, which is opera and vibrant synths. So let's see how it turns out. You even have some advanced option in your settings. So if you click on that, you can select the vocal gender, then the lyrics mode. If you turn it into the auto mode, it will write lyrics for you every time you generate a song. And then these options are only for the pro users. So if you really like this platform, you can take the subscription as well. Now our second style is also ready, so let's hear that.
Watching the morning slipping through the blinds.
A total turnaround. And honestly, it doesn't even take like more than a minute, and you already have your desired style applied to your own song. So, how crazy is that? Now, if you like your song, you can go ahead, click on this three dot button, and download it in one of these formats. Also, if you like it, so you can go to the remix option and extend it, where you'll select the part of the song that you want to keep and extend the rest of it by adding some new lyrics or maybe just melody. So that's basically how you make AI cover music in any style using Suno AI. You are free to go and try it yourself, pick a song you love and transform it into something completely different. Drop a comment if you create a cover for yourself, and like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.